You must be here for how to. Come on in. On this episode of How To, I'm going to be teaching you how to meal prep chicken and rice bowls. This is one of my favorite meals to make because of how easy it is, it's delicious and healthy for you. Here's what you'll need to get started. 4 chicken breasts, a shredded cheese of your choice, a head of lettuce, 2 cans of corn, 4 cups of rice, pepper, Cajun, seasoning salt, and paprika, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once you have everything, we're ready to start cooking. To start, we're going to boil about 6 cups of water on high heat for our rice. While waiting for the water to boil, cut each chicken breast in half, put them in a bowl, and season the chicken how you prefer. We're using seasoning salt, paprika, Cajun, and pepper. When you're done with the spices, mix the chicken. When your water starts to boil, add your rice, lower the heat, and cook for about 10 minutes, or until tender. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your pan and let it warm up to a medium-high heat. When it's hot enough, add your chicken and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. When they're finished, place them off to the side and let them sit for about 5 minutes. Wow, that smells good! Next, you'll add about half a cup of rice to each container. After that, we'll cut our chicken into bite-sized cubes. We're just about done with the chicken now. That was easy. Now we're going to add half a chicken breast into each container. After the chicken, add your preferred amount of corn into each container. I used about 2 spoonfuls. This can be cooked beforehand or in the microwave while reheating. After that, sprinkle some cheese into your bowl. Finally, we'll add our lettuce on top. If you're worried about keeping your lettuce fresh, you can choose to put it in your bowls later before eating, but we're going to do it right now. Almost done! Now repeat these steps for all 8 of your bowls. Once you've finished up your last bowl, close your containers and put them into the fridge. This is great for lunch and dinner. They're really filling and they taste great too. That's it for this episode of How To. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh, healthy, and delicious chicken and rice bowls.